Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is French and Pinay Simple Life in the Philippines. So we would like to thank you everyone for always watching our videos and for continuous support to our small channel. So this is all about our simple life here in the Philippines with my French husband. So you've watched my previous upload. We had Sir Alex who bought our chicks, Rhode Island red chicks for the second time. So after he left this morning, we continue working in for our kitchen expansion. So we concreted the floor. So yesterday we concreted the foundation for the wall in front and half of the side. So today we around 9:30 a.m. we started to concrete the floor. So we Christian divide it into few parts so that it will not be so difficult to finish each part. So but I think I'm not sure, but I think the biggest part is done today. So in just as I have said, we started 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and then in just before lunch, 12 or 11:30, something like that, we're able to finish the first part of the floor. So tomorrow hopefully we will get the new delivery of our concrete, I mean our cement, because Christian went this afternoon to order the new stock. So hopefully tomorrow they will deliver it, and then we can continue working if the weather is good, of course. So our small mixer is still working good, fortunately, and very helpful. It's making the job very easy and faster, of course. Yes, faster. So it's always my job to carry buckets of gravel and sand from the stack, and then and also cement from the sack. So for many people who are watching this video, of course, sure you will say that it's a very hard work, but we are just enjoying our building our house and it's never finished, and as you can see, this is the end of the house on the other side. So for the kitchen, because as of now our kitchen is the small kitchen that Christian built temporarily before when we transferred here in our farm, because we've been renting house in Tagbilaran and Panglao for many years until we finally decided to transfer for good here in our farm. So that's why as you can see, the wall is bamboo on this at the end of this, and the house really started with bamboo walls before. If you watch our previous videos, we started really with a very very tiny house with all bamboo walls, and until finally we're able to made the first part of the house into concrete. So it's just I and my husband. It's amazing, but it's really I and him, and we just enjoy. We rest. We have a good rest, and then we have a good work. It's like that until we don't need to rush, but every day it's a progress. Sometimes for many reasons we stop working, like especially for the bad weather or for the rainy season, and then all we need to do a lot of things around the farm. we take care of the chickens, we take care of the goats. So it's just a daily routine that, and then we work on the house. So it's like that. So I want to thank everyone for always, as I have said earlier, thank you always for your support to our channel. And I noticed that a few subscribers were added, and I read one comment. He saw our video from the vlog of Sir Alice Busidik. So thank you so much, Sir Alice, for the commercial, and thank you. Welcome. I would like to welcome our new subscribers, and I hope that you will enjoy our videos. So sometimes I upload also just around the farm, the goats, the chickens, and then some information that I can share to the viewers. But sometimes I speak just Tagalog and or Bisaya. So because I know that many Filipinos as well are very interested for the information regarding the chickens or something like that, you know. So this is a 13 minutes video. I hope you will enjoy until the end, and have a nice day, everyone.
What do you need?
My
Paleta?
yeah.